welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I do special effects makeup and beauty makeup, all that kind of stuff, and obviously this is a special effects makeup because it's like body paint. Stranger Things, like, come on, Stranger Things shirt. Yeah, like, I'm obsessed with Stranger Things, as you can see. And if you're obsessed with Stranger Things as much as I do, you need to watch the tutorial, so continue. Okay, everybody, finally doing this video, as I kept putting it off for about 2 months. Finally doing it. Let's hope I don't screw it up. Let's get started. Okay, so I just put a tiny bit of primer on my face. Like, you don't really have to, but it's like 12:30 at night, so I'm gonna make this kind of quick, but I don't want to screw up this tutorial, so. Anyways, I use my primer mist from Heart Candy, just to make my skin a little bit smoother, because I didn't wear makeup today, and I washed it like way earlier this morning, so it's not really oily, but okay. First, I'm going to clip my hair back. I do not want body paint or anything in my hair. Okay. Okay, first I'm blocking out my brows at least a little bit. Where is little tool thingy, my bobber? I've never blocked out my brows before, but I bought a glue stick a couple months ago and I still haven't done it yet, so I'm trying this time. And I'm still learning stuff because I didn't go to school for this, so you guys are learning with me basically. And I just watched all the videos and I have tons of fucking straight hairs, but I don't really give a shit. I just watched a lot of videos on how to do this, and this mascara chunk needs to, like, get the fuck out of here. Okay. I was gonna say, I hope everyone enjoys Stranger Things. If you have seen it, if you haven't seen it, you need to. Is this dried out? I just haven't used glue in a while. I think that's why. I'm like, is this dried? Oh, nope, that's not dry. It's sticking to my fingers. Nope, not at all. Okay, so you're supposed to go upward like this. I don't want that big chunk of glue on my face. I'm just gonna block it out a little bit, like, I don't want that to be perfect. I don't really give a shit. And I'm not gonna draw some on either. I'm just trying to block them out a bit, so when I put the paint over it, it doesn't just look funky. I don't know how to explain it. This feels so weird. I've never done this before, but I got a washable one, so. And it was really cheap at Michael's. If you need some good, like, cheap special effects supplies, go to Michael's. You will save a lot of money, trust me, because I got like 25 brushes for $5. Paint brushes, so you won't ruin your makeup brushes. This isn't all of them. This is makeup brushes and my paint brushes, so they're kind of mixed together. This is where I put them. That little pot that I made in clay class when I was in high school. My brow looked funny. I don't want to glue my eye. I've never done this before, so this is going to be interesting. It makes you coat all your hairs. Oh my god. This reminds me of when my brows were like super thick in like middle school. They're so bad. So I used to not tweeze them because I just didn't know how to do it at first. I'm gonna grab a tissue and wipe up around here in a sec. Okay, so I layered them like twice with a glue stick and just put the spoolie through it, and then wiped up underneath so there's no like crumbly pieces of glue in the way. These aren't going to be perfectly covered, but I don't really care. It's one of them covered a little bit at least. Okay, so I'm going to take my Ben Nye Clown White cream paint. If I could open it, that'd be fucking dandy. I open it. Okay. I probably didn't really need that much, but did it anyways. I could probably just use my sponge actually, which I'm going to use in a sec. take your sponge. This looks like shit, and this sponge is hard as rock. I need to go wet this. I'll be right back. Woo! Okay, so my brows look a little crazy, but that's as good as they're getting. Because I'm just putting water-based paint all over them, so it might not even stay on. But that's okay, because I don't need to completely cover them. I just want them a little bit less visible. So I'm going to take my translucent powder and powder them a bit. I think I'm just going to take the puffer out of this and do it. Yeah, I think I'm just do it that way. Okay, they look slightly better. But not the greatest. But we're going with it anyways, because we're using paint, so it's okay. I'm going to take my Wolfe FX Essentials palette. That's a water color based palette. You just mix it with water. It's only 16 bucks, so it's cheap, and it works good for starting out with special effects, so. I have too much stuff up here. Like, you don't understand how much shit is on my dresser, because I don't have a vanity. Yeah. So I'm going to take, what is it, the red shade? Yep. The red shade that's in this palette. That is way too much water. Oh my, too much water. You do not need that much in here. And since it's a sky part on the Stranger Things like photo, I'm gonna just kind of blot this everywhere, not really put it perfectly. I'm gonna be adding yellow to it to make it less super bright red too. I'm just taking this big ass paintbrush from that Michaels pack of paintbrushes I got, and I hope this doesn't scrub because it's water over a washable glue stick. Like, that was a stupid ass idea. Like, why did I think of doing that? Okay, I look like a damn tomato right now, but I'm putting all the base colors down first, by the way, because I didn't mention that at first. I'm gonna take some red, that's too much water, and basically make like a purpley color. It's way too much. Oh, my eyelids is sticking together because I didn't let that paint dry. That was like a stupid idea. I don't know why I did that. Take the red, put it in my little palette I got for like 99 cents at Michael's, just to mix paints. And I'm going to take some of that blue that's in here, painting this in, and then blending it like halfway down, basically like what I did with red, but not all the way because I'm going to start the blue like here. You'll see once it's started to paint, and I don't really know how to explain it. Okay. I love having a painted face. Yeah. No, I do. I love doing this shit. But I'm going to take that blue shade, basically do the same thing. Just bring it down the rest of my face, basically. And I'm not going to do all of my neck, because I don't feel like cleaning all that shit up. I'm just gonna keep painting down here, at least maybe stop right here, I think. Okay, so that's as far as that's going down my neck, because I don't want to clean all that shit up, so I'm just gonna do this, so I can't really, and I'm wearing my Stranger Things shirt, because Stranger Things makeup, like, I had to, come on, man. This piece of hair, what the fuck? Okay, I need to tone down this red with some orange, so where's my paintbrush? I'm going to take this brush, I think, and take some yellow, if it would, you know, mix with the water, that'd be great, you know, and just dot random spots, and I'm going to just pat it with my finger. And I don't really care that it's splotchy. I want it to look like that because I don't want it to look like completely bright red, so yeah. The purple I'm actually going to leave. I'm not going to do anything to it. The blue, I might add a little white spots to it to like brighten it up a bit. I don't know, I feel a little lightning bolts. That's not the one I got. Wait, this little angled brush. It's not angled, but very like pin-ass straight brush that's very, very skinny and precise. I'm going to start the little lightning bolts I take my white paint and go like, yeah, put these basically like squiggly lines. I don't know how to explain it. They almost look like veins, but they're not. I have my hands in the way, I'm sorry. You'll see it in a sec. And I hope everyone loved Stranger Things. If you haven't watched it, you really need to fucking watch it. Like, it's a must. I can't stress it enough. I didn't think I was ever gonna like the show, and I did. So it's a must to watch it. Even if you don't like sci-fi, you should give it a chance. I didn't like sci-fi that much. And it's a fucking amazing ass show. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. And I want season 3 here, like, now. I had to wait till 2019. Like, I want to scream my hat off. I love Stranger Things. I have to wait till fucking 2019 for the next season. Like, I want to shit my pants. And bawl my fucking eyes out. Okay, so I did all the little lightning bolts. I didn't want to do too many because I don't want to make it like overkill and crazy. I did like a good amount, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna start on the arms from, what is it called? The Shadow Monster? That thing? The Mind Flare. If you haven't seen the new season, you need to watch it. I'm not really spoiling anything because this is basically on the poster of the new season, so I'm not really spoiling anything. Just the name of it kind of, yeah, but he's got like real like pointy type arms and hands. I don't know how to explain it. Can I do it? But I'm just outlining it first. Yeah, I really don't want to like do the same thing as other people were doing for Stranger Things. Everybody's doing Barb and stuff, and that was like last season. I was like, why are people still doing that makeup? Like, not that it's a bad thing, but I want to do something different, so this works. You know, I'm adding like extra hands that he has. That's okay. Just outlining this first, so it looks a little shitty right now. It's going to look a lot better once it's done. Okay, I kind of screwed up on this side, but I tried to fix it, and it doesn't want to work with me today, so we're just going to stick with this, and I'm going to paint this up with a brush. So I outlined it down my neck. This didn't turn out as good as I wanted to, but I'm not finished, so I'm going to make it look better somehow. I'm going to fill this in with black paint. If I'm not very chatty in this video, it's because it's really, really late right now, and I don't want to wake anybody up. Okay, so the painting portion of it's done. The arms are a little bigger on this side, but that's okay. I can always fix that, but I'm fine with the way it is. It doesn't bother me. I think it looks kind of cool. The one side's like, I don't know how to explain it. I'm tired. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner on in like 2 seconds. And okay, so I threw on some eyeliner. I used the Essence Easy Use Jumbo Eyeliner Pen. I tried this out the other day and I'm digging it. Just today I'm like rushing. Well, right now I'm like rushing. That's why it's kind of screwy looking right now. These ones, the Battles Lashes Fright Night ones by Ardell. I'm gonna put these on real quick, and I'll be back doing my lips and to finish this look. Okay, so I put my lashes on. These are fucking huge. They're not like super thick, but like they're pretty damn long, I can tell you that. Yeah. I don't really need this in my hair anymore. But I forgot to mention, I put some red and like shaded it, like basically outlined it around the arms and stuff to give it a little bit of a highlight and pop like more, you know, you can't really notice it because this lighting is like. Okay, but for lips, I am using lipstick because I wanted to add a little makeup into this look because why not? I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in shade Widow's Peak, which is their black lipstick from the Halloween collection. Okay, so I actually started adding some highlighter to the lightning bolts to make them pop a little bit more. It's actually working. So I used the Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter in holographic lights. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. See, got like a slate green tint to it, but it looks pretty cool. Over the lightning bolt, I just kind of pat it in a little bit. You can also use a brush, but I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay, for the rest of the lips, I'm gonna add some of Wet n Wild's Sleepy Hollow in the middle. And just a tiny bit of highlighter. Doesn't look like a tiny bit, but. Okay, so this is the finished Stranger Things SFX body paint, face paint, makeup tutorial I just did. So I hope everybody enjoys this look on how I did this. And be sure to like and subscribe down below. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you'd like to see certain videos. Let me know, or just let me know what you think of this video. Make sure you check out my other videos as well, and I'll leave all the products down below, and I'll see everybody in the next tutorial. Bye!